This video provides an overview of the 5 models of NightRide Trailblazer and their related accessories that are now available for purchase. You should note that there's 2 major configuration differences in the NightRide. First is the base model of the NightRide Trailblazer. This option is the easiest to install. It only connects with Wi-Fi, and you can identify it with only 2 pins on the back connector. The second is the NightRide Trailblazer with Ethernet. This one you can identify with the 6-pin connector on the back, and it has a cable that can connect over Ethernet. For the most reliable connection, we suggest the NightRide Trailblazer with Ethernet. It has the option to connect with Ethernet for a direct connection and also Wi-Fi. The Trailblazer 384. This is our standard Trailblazer and comes with Wi-Fi connection to your phone, tablet, or laptop. This model takes just a few minutes to install using a proprietary GoPro-style mount to the hood of your vehicle. A simple connection is made to the vehicle battery via the provided power cable that comes with alligator clips and ring terminals. Trailblazer 384 is now available with optional Ethernet as well as Wi-Fi connection to your phone, tablet, or laptop. This model includes a NightRide PoE cable to be run through the vehicle firewall, powered by a PoE injector. A cigarette-to-barrel power cable, Ethernet cable, and adapters for Android and iOS are provided. Our Trailblazer 640 also mounts to the hood of the vehicle, where installation and connection will be the same as the Trailblazer 384, with power and Ethernet connection being ran through the vehicle firewall, and includes the same accessories. The last 2 models are the Trailblazer Grill Mount 384 and the Trailblazer Grill Mount 640. Both of these models come with a 90-degree connector so the camera can easily be mounted behind the grille of the vehicle. Both models offer Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection to your phone, tablet, or laptop. Again, both power and Ethernet connections are made by passing the cable through the vehicle firewall. The power is connected via cigarette lighter jack, and the Ethernet extension cable and adapters for Android and iOS are provided to connect to your viewing device. Now let's talk about the Trailblazer accessories. NightRide offers 2 models of second car kit, which are compatible with the hood-mounted models of the Trailblazer: the Trailblazer second car kit and the Trailblazer second car kit with Ethernet. The Trailblazer second car kit is for the standard Trailblazer and provides a proprietary hood mount with installation tool and the hardware included, as well as the cable for direct connection under the vehicle battery hood. This sets up a second car, so all you have to do is move the camera itself between vehicles. For folks who would like to use the Trailblazer off the vehicle, we offer 2 types of proprietary cables to connect the hood-mounted NightRide Trailblazers to a power delivery PD power bank, which you can purchase online. Check out pd.getnightride.com for an Amazon wishlist of power banks. There are 2 different auxiliary battery cables, one for the standard Trailblazer 384 with Wi-Fi only, and one for the Trailblazer with Ethernet, which works either for the 384 or the 640 with Ethernet. Finally, for anyone who prefer to view the stream from the NightRide Trailblazer on a monitor instead of a phone, tablet, or laptop, we now offer an HDMI adapter. The adapter works by converting Ethernet to HDMI, so this accessory will work with any of our Trailblazers that have an Ethernet cable. Thank you for listening, and please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 347-509-5880, extension 1, or by email at contact@getnightride.com for more information.